Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in the last session, we completed chapter 6 and we learned about mass. Okay, what mass means? Mass is nothing but a weight. So, we are using balance to measure the weight of the objects. Okay, children. So, and I given some homework also. I hope you all are completed your given homework, children. So now in this class we are going to start next chapter. What is the name of our 7th chapter, children? Numbers up to 30. Okay, numbers up to 30. In the previous chapter we learned numbers 1 to 9. Okay, so now this is numbers up to 30. So first we are given pep activity. Sohan is selling apples. Count the number of apples on each plate and write in the boxes below. 1 is done for you. How many apples are here? 1. You have to write 1. Now let us count how many are here. 1, 2. So write 2 in this box. And how many apples are here? 1, 2, 3. Next, count the number of apples and write here, children. So here also you have to count number of apples on each plate and write. For example, here I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how many apples are here? 9 apples. So here in this plate 9 apples and this is one single apple. Rajan wants the plate with 9 apples and one more extra apple. Okay, so Rajan anukuntunnadu ante idi into party single apple kuda kavalanuntunnaadu. So Sohan puts all the apples in a basket and gives it to Rajan. Okay, Sohan puts all the apples, these 9 apples and this one apple, puts in a basket and gives it to Rajan. So now you have to count how many apples in this basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now the basket has 10 apples in it. So let us call the basket of apples as one group of 10 apples. Okay, here totally how many apples are here, children? 10 apples. So let us call the basket. Okay, let us call this basket as one group of 10 apples. Why? Because here this basket has 10 apples, means it is one group of 10 apples. Okay, how many groups here? This total apples is one group only. And this group has how many apples, children? 10 apples. So, one group of 10 apples. One group of 10 apples. Next, hands-on activity. Follow the instructions given by your teacher to group the crayons into tens and ones. Then count them. Start counting from the group as 10. And further count single crayons to get each number. Okay, fill in the blanks to form numbers. A few examples are given for you. Okay, children, you have to take this as group of 10. Okay, this is a group of 10 crayons. So group of 10 crayons means it is 10. So here any ones is there, children? No, means write 0. So number form is 10. And number name, the number name of 10 is TEN 10. Okay, children, TEN 10. Next, how many groups are here? One group. So 1. And how many single crayons? 1. So it is 10 after 11. Okay, 11. So write number 1, 1, 11. What is the number name of 11, children? ELEVEN, 11. Next, how many tens? Only one group of 10 is there, 1. And how many single crayons are there? 1, 2. So it is 1 to 12. 1 to 12. The number name of 12, TWELVE, 12. Okay. Next, one group means 1, 10, 1, 2, 3. 3 ones means it is 1, 3, 13. Okay. 1, 3, 13. What is the number name of 13, children? THIRTEN, 13. Okay. THIRTEN, 13. Next. Okay, children, shall we do this? How many tens are here? Means how many groups here? Only one group, means write 1. How many ones? Means how many single crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. Okay, write 4 here. So which number it is, children? 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Here number name already given. FOUR, TEN, teen. It's 14. 1, 4, 14. Next, tens. How many tens are here? 1. So write this one here. Next, how many single crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5. It is 1, 5, 15. Okay. 1, 5, 15. What is the number name of 15, children? FIFTEN, 15. Okay. FIFTEN, 15. How many tens? 1 tens only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. It's 1, 6, 16. Okay. SIXTEN, 16. Okay. SIXTEN, 16. Next, 1 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 1, 7, 17. Okay, children. It's 1, 7, 17. SEVENTEN, 17. Next, here it is only 1, 10. How many ones are here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. So the number name of 18 is EIGHTEN, 18. Okay. Next, 1, 10. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone count along with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 1, 9, 19. Okay, it's 1, 9, 19. So number name of 19 is NINE, 9, TEN, teen. It's 19. Number 10 is written as 10 to say that we have one group of tens and 0 ones. Okay, children. So here the number 10 means one group of 10 and 0 groups of ones. And similarly 11 means one group of 10 and 1 1. So one group of tens and 1 1. So like that 12 means one group of 10 and 2 groups of ones. Okay, one group of 10 and 2 ones. Next, 13 means one group of 10s and 3 ones. 14 means one group of 10s and 4 ones. 15 means one group of 10 and 5 ones. Okay, children. So similarly 19 means one group of 10 and 9 ones. Okay, children, I think are you clear? So now in this class we will discuss numbers and number names 10 to 19. Okay, now in this class we discussed number names 10 to 19. So what your homework means? You have to learn these numbers and number names. Okay, you have to learn numbers and number names and write the number names without seeing in your books and send to me. Okay children, write the number names without see and send to me. This is your homework. I think, are you clear children? In this class you learned number names, no? So what is your homework is, you have to learn this number names and write without seeing and send to me. Thank you children. Have a nice day.